The smartphone as we know it is officially dead. For years, we've been playing a boring game of incremental upgrades. A slightly faster processor, a marginally brighter screen, a minor camera tweak. Year after year, the tech industry has fed us the same repetitive formula wrapped in glossy marketing. But sitting right here is a device that completely shatters that predictable cycle. This is the Apple iPhone 18 Pro Max. This is not a routine refresh, and it's definitely not your typical yearly upgrade. Apple has spent the last half-decade quietly engineering a massive technological leap, waiting for the exact moment when hardware and deep artificial intelligence could fuse into something entirely unprecedented. This machine doesn't just push the boundaries of mobile engineering. It redefines what a handheld computer is supposed to do. If you are a mobile filmmaker shooting cinema-grade footage, a heavy power user managing entire businesses from your pocket, or someone who simply demands absolute peak performance without any thermal or battery compromises, you need to understand exactly what Apple has pulled off here. Because for the first time in smartphone history, the gap between consumer tech and Hollywood-grade equipment has completely vanished. To truly comprehend why the iPhone 18 Pro Max is causing panic across the entire mobile landscape, we have to look beneath the pristine glass and ultra-refined titanium shell. Apple has transitioned its flagship silicon straight into a revolutionary 2-nanometer manufacturing process. In the complex world of semiconductors, shrinking a processor down to this microscopic scale means you can pack billions of additional transistors into an incredibly tight space, while drastically cutting down the physical distance electrical signals have to travel. We are looking at an ungodly transistor count that enables staggering computing density. But numbers on a spec sheet can't convey the real-world magic happening here. The true breakthrough lies in Apple's completely isolated neural engine architecture. This isn't just about executing basic voice commands or generating fun text replies. This hardware is built to run massive, complex language models and complex contextual algorithms entirely on-device, completely offline, with absolute zero latency. The silicon isn't just reacting to your inputs anymore. It is actively anticipating your needs, processing multimodal data from your surroundings in real time without ever needing to ping a cloud server. Think about what this level of integration actually unlocks in daily practice. In the past, running heavy computational tasks on a phone, like rendering a ProRes video file or executing complex graphic simulations, would instantly cause the device to throttle. The chassis would turn into a pocket heater, the battery percentage would plunge off a cliff, and the interface would stutter to save the internal components from frying themselves. The iPhone 18 Pro Max eliminates that thermal ceiling entirely. Apple has introduced an advanced internal cooling architecture featuring ultra-thin vapor chambers and graphene heat spreaders that route thermal energy away from the primary chip with maximum efficiency. During sustained peak workloads, whether you are exporting an intensive project or playing a heavy graphical title with desktop-class ray tracing enabled, the device remains shockingly cool to the touch. You get 100% of the silicon's processing power all of the time. Regardless of whether your battery is at 90% or 10%, Apple has effectively democratized high-end studio-grade computing, condensing an entire production house into